Hi, I'm Tihana. I'm a coach, supervisor, and author. And for the past decade, I've been working with people who work with people. So if you want your coaching skills to be cutting edge, listen to my 20 GCGs or Golden Coaching Guidelines. So one of them is noticing what is not there. Once upon a time, there was a passenger who was walking down a village street and stopped to talk to a resident of a small cottage. He was out gardening. What a pity you had to cut down some of the trees in your garden. They must have given a beautiful shade, he said after the greeting. The gardener was surprised and asked the passenger how he knew that there had been two actually large apple trees there, especially because the stumps had also been removed. The traveler smiled and revealed that he had been observing the trees that were there and noticed that their shape indicated something was missing in the middle. That there had been something in the middle that was not there anymore, and that he assumed that it had been a large tree according to the shape of the surrounding branches of the canopy. When I say that the coach is looking at what is not there, I mean that they're looking at the coachee entirely and noticing what is unsaid. What is the question behind the question? What is the cause? What is the big link between the coachee's non-verbal, verbal and paraverbal communication? What is missing? What is it that everything revolves around but remains unsaid? If you're able to see what is not revealed, if you're able to see what is hidden with an X-ray vision, then you're really a cutting-edge coach. Sharpen your vision and good luck.